Keeping your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max updated ensures you have the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements. As of September 2025, the latest stable version is iOS 19.1. To update, connect to Wi-Fi, go to Settings General, Software Update. Your iPhone will automatically search for available updates. If iOS 19.1 or a later version is available, tap Download and install. Ensure your device has at least 50% battery or is connected to a power source to prevent interruptions during the update process. Background updates are now supported, minimizing disruption. After the update, verify the installation by going to Settings, then General, then About, and check the software version. It should display iOS 19.1 or the latest version available. If you encounter issues during the update, such as error messages or a frozen screen, try restarting your iPhone by holding the power button until the slider appears, then slide to power off. For persistent problems, connect your iPhone to a computer using a USB-C cable. Ensure the computer has the latest version of iTunes or Finder, then attempt the update via this wired connection. Regularly backing up your iPhone to iCloud or your computer before updating can prevent data loss in case of complications during the process. Remember that Apple supports iPhone 17 models with software updates for at least 5 to 7 years from release, ensuring long-term security and features.